Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your channel, Brilliant Minds by Neeru. Second practice test for cracking CUET 2022. This is meant for informatics practices or computer science students. I hope you must have watched my previous video, practice test 1. Keep watching my video, students. So let us start with this video. It contains 15 questions, students. And for this, I have given you a few instructions. It contains 15 questions. Each question has 4 options, out of which only one is correct. You have to finish the test in 20 minutes. You will be awarded 5 marks for each correct answer, and there will be one negative -1 for wrong answer. Means there is negative marking also. Okay, so take care. Okay, now I have to accept this. I have read all the instructions carefully and have understood them. I agree not to cheat or use unfair means in the examination and so on. This you have to check, you have to accept it, and then you have to proceed for the quiz. First question, to get the number of dimensions of a series object, the dash attribute is displayed. Endim, item size, index or size. Yes, students, think fast. Should I start with this? Size. Oh, no. You want to try this one? Item size? No. Okay, I'm going to try endim. Yes, this is the correct answer. First one, endim. And if you have thought the same answer, then give 5 marks to yourself. Okay, so account आपका balance is open. 5 marks आपकी opening होगी. Let's continue. Question number 2. To check if series object contains NaN values, attribute is displayed. Which attribute? N bytes, endim, D type. N bytes, wrong. Endim, oops. Has NaNs? Correct. Again 5 marks to you. अगर आपने has NaNs लिया, अगर आपने कोई और ऑप्शन चूज किया था तो प्लीज ऑनेस्टली -1 कर लीजिएगा. Okay. Question number 3. To display third element of a series object S, you will write dash S:3, S:2, S2, S3. Yes, should I start with this? Wrong. This one? Again wrong. Yes, the third option was the correct one. Okay, let's continue. Now question number 4. This panda object cannot grow in size. Is it data frame or series or panel or none of these? Yes, students, should I try the first one only? Wrong. Series. Series is the correct answer. You cannot grow in the size. Okay, 5 marks for this option also. Now, next question. Number 5. The axis 1 identifies a data frames, columns, data type, values or rows. No. Wrong. Columns is the correct answer for axis 1. Okay. Next question. Which among the following options can be used to create a data frame in pandas? How can you create data frame? A scalar value, an ND array, a Python dictionary, all of these. All of these? Yes, you are correct. All of these is the correct answer. Again, 5 marks for it. अगर आपने कोई और option choose किया है, -1 for that. My negative marking is there. Okay. Next question. To delete a column from a data frame, you may use statement remove, drop, del or cancel. You want to use this option? Okay, select करते हैं drop को. Wrong. Remove, wrong. Is it del? Yes, del is the correct option. आप अपना स्कोर चेक करते रहिए, उसे अपडेट करते रहिए स्टूडेंट्स. Now question number 8. What will be the output for the following code? Import pandas as PD, S is equal to PD.series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, index is equal to A, B, C, D, E. Print S, A. आपको A की वैल्यू A is the index, उसकी वैल्यू आपको बतानी है. इसमें आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 3, 1. Yes, 1 was the correct option. Next question. For 2D plotting using a Python library, which library interface is often used? Seaborn, Plotly, matplotlib.pyplot or matplotlib. You want to try this one? Fourth one? Wrong. Seaborn? No. Is it? Yes. This was the correct option, matplotlib.pyplot. Next question. Which of the following plotting functions does not plot multiple data series? Is it plot, bar h, pie or bar? Should I try this one? Wrong. Bar h, wrong. Plot, wrong. Correct answer is pie. Let's continue to next question. Question number 11. Which argument of bar lets you set the thickness of bar? Width, thick, thickness or bar width? Should I try with this one? Wrong. Thick, wrong. Width. Yes. Width is the correct answer. 5 marks for this option. Okay. Now let's continue. Number 12. To skip first 5 rows of CSV file, which argument will you give in read underscore CSV? Skip rows is equal to 5, skip is equal to 5, no read is equal to 5 or skip underscore rows is equal to 5. Should I try this one? Yes, you are correct. First, the fourth option is correct. Question 13. CSV stands for comma separated variables, column separated values, column separated variables or comma separated value. Yes, students, which option? Should I try this one? Correct. The fourth option was correct, comma separated value. Okay, now next question. Question 14. Which function is used to rename an existing column or index? Rename के लिए कौन सा option आप choose करेंगे? Group by, hist, rename or std? I think we should go for this. Correct. Now let's move to last question. A CSV file can take dash character as separator, comma, underscore, backslash t or all of these. Yes? All of these. All of these was correct. Now quiz is over here, students. Keep watching my videos and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe it. Thank you for participating in the quiz.